Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set Internet Explorer as default browser on your Windows 10 PC. So friends, if you want to set Explorer browser as a default browser, so just you need to click on Start. Now search default apps. Click on default apps. Scroll down. Here you will find option web browser. In default apps you will find this web browser option. Click on it. Here you will find a list of browsers like Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer. So select Internet Explorer. That's it. So friends, by this easy and very simple method you can set Internet Explorer as default browser on your PC. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.